In this video, we will see about functions in Python. Function is nothing but a block of reusable code and that performs the specified task. Instead of writing the same code again and again, you can write the function and you can keep the reusable code inside the function and it can be called whenever it is needed. Let's look at the benefits of creating a functions. Code reusability, you can write once and you can call it as many times as you want, and it is a clean and readable code whenever you are implementing your functions, and you can break the large program into the small logical blocks, easy for maintenance because whenever there is an issue you can go to the particular function and you can fix the issue. And modularity, each function does the unique job, and testing made easy. So whenever you are having a functions, and functions can be tested independently. The syntax is very simple. You can use the def keyword followed by function name, and you can put the open and close brackets and colon, and then you can start writing the reusable code here. Now let's look at the examples for the functions in the Python. We will start creating a new folder called chapter 3. Under chapter 3, we are creating a new file as 01 functions.py. And here I'm creating a new function called add two numbers. So firstly, we have to write the def keyword followed by function name. I'm giving the function name as add two numbers. So open and close bracket, and here we have to put the colon, and inside this I am writing the print function, and inside that I am adding the two numbers. Here I will add the 10 plus 20. So it should print the output as 30. You can call this very simple function by using the function name. So here I will use the function name as add two numbers. I will quickly run this program. And if you see the output here, so we are able to print the output as 30. You can call the same functions multiple times by using the function name. So here I'm calling same function another 2 times. And we should be able to print the output as 3 times 30. Let's run the program. And if you see here, the output is 33 times. So this is how you can create a very basic functions in the Python.